Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If you click the small plus sign next to the Java Beans Connectivity folder within the Create New Connection section of the Database Expert dialog box, you will then be presented with a dialog box that allows you to specify your desired Java data source. You use this connection type to report off Java beans that you or others in your organization have designed specifically for this purpose. You can report off of any compiled Java class that returns a public method of java.sql.resultSet. Note that for this feature to function, however, you will need to first install either the Java Runtime Environment or the Java Development Kit on your local machine. You must also create and configure specific registry entries so that Crystal Reports will know where to find your Java data sources. For complete information on the software installation, development of Java Beans, and configuration of Java and Crystal Reports, you can read the CRXI Java Bean Connectivity PDF at the hyperlink listed within the manual.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.